Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to easily check the version of WhatsApp on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you have the WhatsApp application installed and logged in. Step 2. Once you're inside WhatsApp, locate the settings option. It's usually represented by a gear or 3 dots icon. Step 3. Click on the settings option to access the settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, find and select the Help option. Step 5. By selecting Help, you'll be able to find the information about the current version of WhatsApp installed on your PC. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to see the version of WhatsApp on your PC. To recap, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, and select Help to find the version of WhatsApp installed on your PC. It's a handy feature to ensure you're using the latest version and enjoying all the latest features. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to see your WhatsApp version on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.